Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Android version and closing apps that use the network. This prevents reloading old DNS entries. Once done, disable VPN or proxy so the phone uses local DNS. Next, open Settings and go to Apps or Network and Internet. Different skins place DNS controls differently. Make sure you have screen time to follow a few quick steps. This avoids interruptions. Now tap the entry for your browser or the system DNS client to begin cache clearing. You will now clear both app and system caches to remove stale DNS records. First, force stop the browser or app and clear its cache and storage so it queries DNS anew. Then, move to Network and Internet and check private DNS. Set it to automatic or a trusted resolver. Changing it forces a fresh lookup. If you use Wi-Fi, forget the network and reconnect or toggle cellular data off and on to renew the DHCP lease and flush the system resolver. You finish by restarting your device so all cached resolver state clears from memory and services restart. Once rebooted, load the site or use a network utility to confirm DNS returns the correct address. If issues persist, switch to a public DNS such as 1 or 8 in private DNS or Wi-Fi settings and test again. Make sure to reboot your router as a troubleshooting tip. Sometimes the problem is upstream, and resetting both ends resolves lingering DNS errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.